So you want to work from home, but I got a question for you. Do you want guaranteed income or earning potential? What's up? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm going to talk about the difference between guaranteed income and earning potential. All right. Now, a lot of people talk about, working from home, right? They say, I want a work from home job. They look on YouTube, they look on blogs all day, and they look at work from home jobs. All right. But then the same person will sit back and say, yeah, I want to work from home, but I want to make $10,000 a month, right? I want that freedom. I want that time freedom. I want financial freedom, right? I want it. I want that lifestyle, baby, right? Now, here's the thing. There is a difference between the two, because maybe there is a work from home job out there that you can get, earn $10,000 a month. Right now, I think this job will be very, very hard to get, because you're saying that you're applying for this job and you're working for a company that's going to be paying you, $10,000 a month. Maybe it's out there, but that's going to be hard as hell to get. And if you do get it, remember, this is a work from home job. You're working for a company. You are going to, have those set hours, and, you're going to probably be on a schedule, and you're probably going to have very, very high demand on you. But like I said, keeping it real, that'll be pretty hard to find. When it comes to most of these work from home job opportunities, the majority of them are going to be like your offline hourly rates, anywhere from, $10 an hour. Maybe you could get up to like $20, $25 an hour with like your traditional work from home jobs, doing customer service, being a sales rep or a sales technician, things like that. Those jobs are very, very accessible, right? Those jobs are out there all over the place. And if that's what you want, you should easily be able to get a job like that, where you're working a traditional 9 to 5 and you're earning, maybe $20 an hour. And that's all good. I got videos on jobs like that. But if you're one of those people who are like, yo, I want to work from home. I want a work from home job, but I want that financial freedom and I want to bring in $10,000 a month. Now you're like, you need to really think about how you're going to go about doing that, because you're probably not going to get that financial freedom from your traditional work from home hourly job. This is when you kind of go over to the other side. This is where you need to go over to the entrepreneur side. This is where you need to go over to the risk taking side of things, right? Because it's very possible to get to that $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 that everybody talk about. But you got to have a different mindset than you do when it comes to your 9 to 5 work from home job. This is where you get into I want to start my own online drop shipping business, or I want to be a big time affiliate marketer, or I want to be a leader in a network marketing company. Now that's great. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm all about. Talk about it all the time. But you have to understand that you might have to work a lot harder on your online business than you do at your 9 to 5. You have to understand that your 9 to 5 is going to be bringing in a lot more money than your online business for a while. So you have to ask yourself, can you deal with that? Can you accept the fact that maybe for 6 months or for a year, maybe 2 years, your online grind is not going to pay off like your, work from home 9 to 5 job? But you got to understand that most online business opportunities, their earning potential is crazy. All right. Your online business actually can give you that financial freedom that you want. It can allow you to live the lifestyle that you want to have and work when you want and travel and do whatever. So you really got to weigh both of your options and ask yourself, do you want guaranteed income or do you want crazy earning potential? Now I got good news. All right. If you really on it, right, and you really want that financial freedom, right? You want to be able to work when you want, all that good stuff, right, that everybody talk about. you can actually do both. Yes, you can get the work from home 9 to 5 job, right? And have all the perks of, working from home, but you can still grind. You can still do affiliate marketing. You still can do your drop shipping business, network marketing, start a t-shirt line, whatever you want to do. You just have to tell yourself, this is what I want to do, right? When you're not doing your work from home 9 to 5, right? When you get done with that, then go over and work on your passion that can ultimately get rid of that traditional 9 to 5 job, right? So you can do both. It is actually possible to have the guaranteed income while working that unlimited earning potential. So ultimately, it's really about you and what you really want. You just got to make it happen.